Hi, I'm Nalini Mahadevan. How are you? We're so glad to bring you these series of videos about nursing homes. I've been in practice about 14 years, and in our office, Mahadevan Law Office, we have two other cohorts, Jamie Stafus and Mark Moore, and we serve immigrants, at the elder law community, and complex estate planning. So part of our basic series in educating our elder law community and people who may be using for nursing homes, we are starting the series on nursing homes. So some of the things that you need to look for as you are starting this quest is a series of questions you may want to ask at the outset. So let's discuss the first set of what you would do when you are looking for a nursing home and what questions should you ask. So the very first question you want to know is, are they Medicare certified or are they Medicaid certified, depending on what you are looking for. If it's an elderly relative, they're probably eligible for one or the other or both. Has the nursing home license ever been revoked? Is the facility taking in new patients? And there are lots of facilities we've been to which are new and are accepting new patients, but sometimes they're not, they're full, especially if they're Medicaid, then they have very few beds left and they may not be taking patients for Medicaid. They may be taking other full pay patients, but perhaps not Medicaid. Is there a waiting period for admission? Again, Medicaid sometimes has a waiting period for getting a bed that is that is only meant for Medicaid patients. Does the facility conduct background checks on their staff? Very important. You want your mom or dad or your sibling to be very comfortable and safe in this environment, especially since they are not able to take care of themselves. So also you want to know what is the staff to patient ratio, how many RNs are there, how many LPNs are there, licensed practical nurses. Are there any aides? How many aides per number of patients is 1 to 5, 1 to 4? You want to know that. Do they have an active family council? We'll talk a little bit more about that in another video. Is there a visiting policy? How often can you go by? Because I remember visiting one of my friends and it was so hard to visit. I mean, it was almost like going through interrogation. I mean, I went to the front desk. They wanted to see my driver's license. They wanted to see my name, even though I was on the list of persons that she wanted to see. And while I do understand that that you want to be careful with your patients, at the same time, does the nursing home facilitate visitors to the nursing home, person in the nursing home. I mean, you want to visit your mom as often as you can. You want relatives who are in town to visit as often as they can, so that your relative is socialized in the nursing home. And then, is there transportation available to the doctor? Maybe going to the grocery store, maybe going to the theater, maybe some other visits that are organized visits. Are those available? And then finally, are there care planning meetings, and at what time of day are they held? And are these easy times for families and patients to attend together? So this, I would say, is the first set of questions you should ask. There are several others about which we will talk about in other videos, about safety, about care issues, about quality of life. If you want a copy of this questionnaire, please send us your email address and we'll email out a copy to you. Thank you so much. See you in our next video.